This is Donalyn Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60, and this morning I'm going to be making Snickerdoodle Cookie Bars. We're going to Disneyland today, and I wanted to surprise my grandkids with a special treat. We need 2 cups of flour, 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 3/4 cup of melted butter, a half a cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 2 eggs, and I'm going to use parchment paper to line my pan to make it easy to get them out. So let's get started. We're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees, and then we're going to prepare our pan. I put a little oil on the bottom of my pan to hold my parchment paper in place. And I'm just going to stick my parchment paper in the middle with the sides hanging over so it's easy to pull it out. We're going to set this aside till we're ready for it. We're going to combine our cup of sugar, half a cup of brown sugar, and our 3/4 cup of melted butter. We're going to mix these on medium speed. Once our sugar and butter are completely combined, we're going to add 2 eggs and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. We're going to mix these until all of our ingredients are combined. It looks nice and creamy. We're going to whisk together 2 cups of flour, a half a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Now we're going to whisk these ingredients together. Now we're going to pour our dry ingredients in with our wet ingredients. And we're going to mix them together on medium until they're completely combined. It already smells so good. Now we're going to put our cookie dough into our prepared pan. We're now going to pat our cookie dough into place. I find it easier if I start with wet hands. This cookie dough is super sticky. We want to spread it evenly across our pan so that it cooks evenly. Okay, that looks really good. We're going to take our 2 tablespoons of sugar and add a teaspoon of cinnamon. We're going to stir that in. Mix those together till they're completely combined. And I'm going to sprinkle this on top. And once again, you'll probably need to use your hands to spread it evenly. Wow, that smells great. We're going to bake this for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. I've taken our Snickerdoodle Cookie Bars out of the oven. We're going to let them cool for 30 minutes before we cut them. They smell delicious. I can't wait to give them to my grandchildren. So I gave the boys a little sample. It's good. Good? Mm-hmm. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you for cooking with us. We're going to mix these on medium heat. This is Donalyn Fraser from Living Your Best Life.